In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Freshdesk account. This will enable you to launch a free trial and start setting up your support help desk. Freshdesk is a popular customer support platform that makes managing client queries a breeze, perfect for both small businesses and larger organizations. So let's dive right in and get you started. First, you'll need to visit the Freshdesk sign-up page. You can do this by going to freshdesk.com/signup. Alternatively, you can also access it through the Freshworks trial page. Once you do that, you'll typically find a form in front of you. This form is designed to capture some basic information needed to set up your Freshdesk account. Now, let's complete that registration form. Start by entering your first name and your last name. Next, you'll need to enter your work email. Make sure this is an email address you have regular access to, as it will serve as both your login credential and your main point of communication. After that, fill in the name of your company. This is simply for the identification and organization of your support system within the platform. To finish the form, input your phone number. It's as simple as that. When everything is filled out, look for the Try It Free or Sign Up for Free button and click it to move on to the next steps. One of the great things about Freshdesk is that they offer a 14-day free trial where you can explore their features without entering any payment details. That's right, you don't need to worry about providing credit card information up front. This trial period comes with no commitments, letting you decide whether or not Freshdesk is the right tool for your business without any financial pressure. After you submit the form, an important step is awaiting: account verification. Check your email inbox for a confirmation message. This email will contain a link that you'll need to click to verify your account. This step is crucial as it confirms your email address, ensuring you have access to the communication necessary for setting up and using your support help desk. Once you've verified your email, you're ready to log in and access the Freshdesk admin dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll begin configuring your support instance. Here, you can start tailoring the system to meet the unique needs of your business. From managing support tickets to setting up automation, the admin dashboard is your command center. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Freshdesk account and can now begin your free trial. With this setup, you're on the path to optimizing your customer support interactions and improving response times. So, explore the features, customize your settings, and make the most of what Freshdesk has to offer. Happy supporting, and I'll see you in the next video.